To change the orientations within a Google Doc, the first step is to open your Google Doc. In this example, the image could be made larger and easier to see if it was on a landscape-oriented page, rather than a portrait-oriented page like the text. To create a separate section, click at the end of the portrait-oriented text, and make sure your cursor is blinking. Click Insert. With your mouse, hover over Break. Click Section Break, Next Page. The image is no longer on the portrait-oriented page. The image is now on the new page in a new section. To format that new section, which is still portrait-oriented, click at the end of the image, and make sure your cursor is blinking. Click Format. Click Page Orientation. Make sure the Apply to section lists the correct section, and click Landscape. Click OK. This is now formatted for landscape-oriented pages. You can now make the image larger and proportional to the landscape-oriented page. Click on a corner button of the image. With your mouse, click and drag the corner button, then drop it on the new placement. Your image and anything in this section is now landscape-oriented. To return to portrait-oriented pages after this image, click at the end of the landscape-oriented image, and make sure your cursor is blinking. Scroll up and click Insert. With your mouse, hover over Break. Click Section Break, Next Page. Scroll up and click Format. Click Page Orientation. Make sure the Apply to section lists the correct section, and click Portrait. Click OK. You can now continue typing in portrait mode. That's it. You're done.